Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and welcome to the first video in the numbers series. Today we are going to talk about English numbers, and if you already know about English numbers, that's okay because this video is an excellent review. If you don't know about English numbers, it's time to learn, alright? Are you ready? Let's begin the lesson. 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now let's move on to the next set of the numbers from 11 to 20. As you can see, I put the red line here on these ones because these are the teens. So you got to be very careful with the teens because look at this, 20 and this is 14. This is T and teen. Sound very similar, so it can be confusing, okay? Let's pronounce these numbers. 11 11 12 12 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 19 19 and 20 20. Now let's move on to some bigger numbers. Count with me from 20 to 100. This is 20. What comes after 20? Yes, right, 21. And we can listen how I spell it. 21. And we have to put this is hyphen. And after 21, we have 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. It continues again. 31, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, all the way to 40. 40. It continues this until 100, okay? So let's just focus on the teens right now. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So let's do some extra pronunciation practice. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Now, look at these numbers are difficult and confusing. because these sound very similar, and a lot of my students have problems pronouncing these numbers correctly. So let's review. Of course, these are the teens, so this is 13, 13, and this is 30, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. So make sure you get those right and pronounce them correctly. So before we go, you are going to do a listening test with numbers, of course. So you should get pen and some papers and listen carefully. I'm gonna say the number. You should write down the number, okay? Good luck. Let's start. The first number is 7. 7. You should write like this, okay? The next number is 5. 5. Okay? 9. 9. 8. 8. That's easy. Let's move on to the average level. 13. 13. 19. 19. 12. 12. 21. 21. 11. 11. Now it's the difficult level. Pay attention, okay? 54. 54. 75. 75. 90. 90. 33. 33. 41. 41. I hope did you well on the listening test. So these are the basic numbers from 1 to 100. I hope this video helps you, but of course you have to do self-study and practice these numbers a lot to make sure you know them well, right? And if you want to tell me how many people are in your family or how many friends do you have in your school or in your neighborhood, write it in the comments. And I give you some exercise to practice what you study in this lesson. Anyway, that's it for this video and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.